Hello dear students, I'm happy to have you all. Today I'm going to tell you one good thing. What is that? Practice makes perfect. Sometimes one of our friends tells us that remember this phone number. So he says and you remember. If you don't practice, you will lose it soon. It is usual. So we have to practice a lot in order to be perfect. Okay? Today we are going to study pyramid. What is that and what are the formulas? And we are going to do an example for pyramid for today. Are you ready to start? Yes, let's get started. Pyramid. Okay? At first, definition. A solid object. A solid object. As I told you in the previous lessons, a solid object is an object which has length, width, and height, or three-dimensional. Okay? A solid object with a polygonal base. A polygonal base. For example, triangle is a polygonal, rectangular is a polygonal, and others. They are polygonal, okay? This is a rectangular, it is called a polygonal. This is a triangle, and it is called a polygonal. A solid object with a polygonal base, it means the bases of this pyramid are what? Polygonal. With a polygonal base of a triangular faces. Of triangular faces. Look at these two shapes. As you see, the sides of the pyramids are all triangle. This is triangle, this is triangle. Back and front are triangle. Of triangular faces that meet a point. All of them. This, for example, I can say that this is a what? A triangle. And the sides are all gathered in one point that is called vertex. Or in simple, a solid object with a polygonal base of triangular faces that meet a point is called pyramid. Okay? Now, how do we name pyramids? It is named according to the shape of base. This is the base of what? These are the bases of pyramid. If it is triangle, so we call it triangular what? Or triangle pyramid. If it is triangle. If it is rectangular, we call it rectangular pyramid. It means we name the pyramid by the shape. Shape of what? Base. Okay, let me explain more about the pyramid. This right line is called height, but the line that has 90 degree with one side of the base is called slant height, and this is vertex. And you know that this rectangle is what? Base. So these are the what? Parts of the pyramid. Same we have in pyramid, which is called triangle pyramid. In here we have. Let's read the formula or understand the formula. Again, we are going to find volume, lateral area, and surface area. Volume of this pyramid is equal to 1/3 B multiply H. What is B? B is the area of base. If it is triangle, the area of base. And what is H? H is the height of pyramid. S is equal to 1/2 NBL. What is N? N number of triangle. Number of triangle around the pyramid. If, or in simple we say, if it is triangle, so it has 3 triangles. If it is rectangular, it has 4 rectangulars. Front, back, right, and left. As you see, as you saw, pyramids in Egypt, yeah, they are same. And I told you, or I have written for you, that n is equal to number of triangles and b is equal to, what is b? Base of pyramid. This is base of, we have two base. One is base of pyramid that we say that, for example, this is triangle. Another, the length of this base is called b. Multiply L, you know L. L is a line that has 90 degrees with one length of the what? Pyramids, okay? Base. And the last one is A. A is equal to S plus B. What is A? Surface area, total area. It means that if we find S and we add the value of B or base area, then we will have surface. In order to understand these formulas, let's do one example. Calculate the volume, lateral area and surface area of what? Of the given pyramid. And here we have a pyramid. So what do we see in here? We have a rectangular pyramid, and in here the base is 8 meters, and the width of this rectangular is 5 meters, height is 6 meters, and slant height is 10 meters. Okay, at first check that what do we have in the right side of formula. In the right side of formula we have B. B, we have to find. What is B? B is the base of area. The base of, for example, the area of base. The area of base. In here, this is a rectangle, yeah? As you see. This is a rectangular. How do we find the area of this? 8 multiple 5. 8 multiple 5 is 40 meters square. Okay? You know that how do we find the area of a rectangular? Length multiple width. It's base. Now we need height h. So we have to find h. How much is h? 6 meters. And we need to find in here n. N. It means number of triangles. Okay? Around the pyramid. So because it is rectangular, we have 4. Okay? We have 4 triangles. And now we are going to find b. In here we have b. B is equal to the length of base. And the last one, L. L is equal to the length of this. Yeah? 10 meters. Now it is very easy to find V, S, and A. If you do this job, dear students, you will find the answer very soon. V is equal to 1 over 3. Because the formulas are written, I don't want to write again. B multiply H. Now we have B. Multiply H. What is H? 6. If I cancel, 2 multiply 4 is meter cube. Don't forget the volume of, we can say the unit of volume. And how do we find S? In here we have formula. 1 over 2 multiply n. How much is n? We have 4. How much is b? We have 8. And how much is L? We have 10. So this will be cancelled to this. Okay, 2 multiply 10 is 20. 20 multiply 8 is 160, but meter square. Because of area. And what is A? S plus B. How much is S? 160. Plus, how much is B? And in here we have 40. It will be 200 meters square. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Try to practice a lot the formulas and watch our videos or records in order to understand all the subjects related to 8th grade. And thanks for watching. Be with us and follow our YouTube channel, Afghan-Turk Marif. See you.